Hello bachcho, let's see the question. Similarity in Ascaris lumbricoides and Anopheles stephensi is, and the options are A. Sexual dimorphism, B. Metamerism, C. Anaerobic respiration, and D. Endoparasitism. So let's see first Ascaris lumbricoides. It is a member of phylum Aschelminthes. It means it is a roundworm and it lives in the intestine of human beings. So it is a parasite. It means it derives its nourishment from the human beings and it lives inside the body of human beings. So it is a kind of endoparasite. And while Anopheles stephensi, it is a mosquito and the mosquito belongs to phylum Arthropoda. So it is an arthropod. Now the mosquitoes are considered as parasites. They are blood sucking parasites, but they do not enter the body, so they are a kind of ectoparasites. Now let's see. First option is sexual dimorphism. So what is sexual dimorphism? Then if there are two forms in a species, one male and one female, and they can be distinguished externally. So when male and females can be distinguished externally on the basis of certain characters, then such a phenomenon is called the sexual dimorphism. So here in case of Ascaris and Anopheles, there is the difference between male and female. For example, Ascaris is a dioecious organism. Here the male and female partners are different and the male is smaller in size, or we can say it is shorter than the female, while female is much longer than the male. And also the male has the curved tail, means the posterior part of male body is curved while it is straight in case of female. So we can easily identify or distinguish a male and a female Ascaris. Likewise in Anopheles also, which is a mosquito, here also the male and female partners can be distinguished externally. So what are the differences? The male partner, if we look at the behavior, then male partner doesn't suck the blood, it feeds on the nectar of plants, while the female sucks blood. So blood sucking is the female organism. And also the male has proboscis. Proboscis is the anterior part of the sucking mouth parts of insects. Then this proboscis is feathery and wide in case of males, while in case of females this proboscis is narrow and it is like a tube for sucking the blood. So we can easily differentiate a male mosquito and a female mosquito on the basis of their proboscis, which is the anterior part of the sucking mouth parts. Then in case of male it is feathery and wide, while in case of females this proboscis is narrow and tubular. And also the female mosquitoes are larger in size than the male mosquitoes. So we can also differentiate them on the basis of their size. So there is the differentiation of male and female. So such a differentiation is called the sexual dimorphism, and it is found both in case of Ascaris and Anopheles. So it is the right option. And if we look further, then metamerism. Metamerism means the body is divisible into segments, both externally as well as internally, and there are certain features which repeat on each segment. So metamerism is found only in 3 phylum, and these phylum are the annelids, then the arthropods and the chordates. So metamerism or segmentation of body is found in only these. Here arthropods, Anopheles is an arthropod, so here the body is segmented or it shows metamerism. But in case of Ascaris, which is a roundworm, no metamerism is there, so it is discarded. Now anaerobic respiration, it is also discarded. Respiration in absence of oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. But in Ascaris, if there is deficiency of oxygen, it can anaerobically respire, but female and the male mosquitoes respire aerobically, so it is wrong option. Then endoparasitism, if we look further, then Ascaris is an endoparasite while mosquito is not, so it is also discarded. The only the right statement here or the right option here is option A. So it is the right match. I hope it is clear. All the best.